Friends, Himachal is a major landslide hotspot lying in the Himalayan arc. In Asia, it is a steep, mountainous region that experience heavy seasonal rainfall. In this tutorial, we'll carry out mapping of landslide catalogue in Himachal. Search NASA Global Landslide Catalogue. Go to NASA's online portal and locate the NASA Global Landslide Catalogue. Go to Resources and download .zip files. Open QGIS and create new project. Add layer, add delimited text layer. Select your file. Define the CRS. Click Add. Now the landslide catalog of whole globe is here. Now add the Himachal Pradesh as a study area. Go to processing tool, clip tool, put the overlay as Himachal, save the file and right click the layer and open the attribute table and you will find the catalog. Now to present this catalog, we'll download DAM digital elevation model from Open Topography downloader plugin in QGIS. Again, click to the study area Now we'll create a hillside view as a grayscale or shaded 3D light map representation that simulates how sunlight and shadows fall across a terrain. Also, we'll add a base map through Quick Map Service plugin to represent it better. Now, right click and go to Symbology. In Symbology pane, we'll change the simple marker to categorized. Choose the field value in the value drop down list as landslide area. Pick a color ramp and then classify. Click apply and then click OK to update the map view, and we will see, as you see in the legends, the various classes of landslides. Large, medium, small are shown in different colors. Friends, that is all in this tutorial. If you find it useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching the tutorial.